25 travel safety rules to keep your documents, money, and luggage safe. Picture this. You walk into the airport. Everything feels calm. Boarding pass on your phone, suitcase rolling smoothly behind you, coffee in hand. You're relaxed, ready for your trip. And right at that moment, surrounded by thousands of people and hundreds of cameras, that's when most thefts happen. You usually don't even notice until it's too late. You've landed in another country and suddenly your passport, bank card, or laptop is gone. No way to turn back, no idea what to do next. The good news? You can avoid all of this. Below is a collection of practical tips from seasoned travelers and real-life stories. No boring theory, just actions that work. Block 1. Before the airport. Building your safety net. 1. Make your suitcase unstealable. Bright cover, strap, or unique sticker. Tag it with phone and email, never your home address. Take photos of your bag and its contents before you leave. That's your proof for airlines or insurance. 2. Put a tracker in your bag. AirTag, Tile, SmartTag, cheap but priceless. You'll always know where your luggage is. 3. Split your valuables. Cards, spread them out, main plus backup in a hidden pocket. Cash, 70% in wallet, 30% hidden. Electronics, don't keep laptop and camera in the same spot. 4. Carry a fake wallet, a lightweight decoy with small bills and coins. If someone tries a snatch or scam, you hand that over and your real stuff stays safe. 5. Make digital copies of everything. Passport, visa, insurance, bookings. Store in your email plus cloud and keep offline access. 6. Banking hygiene. Turn on push notifications. Create a separate low-limit travel card. Set spending limits. 7. Smart routing. Direct flights equal less risk of lost bags. If you have a layover, book one ticket, not two separate ones. Minimum 90 minutes between flights, ideally 2+ hours. 8. Carry a can't-lose mini kit. Always with you, passport, phone, power bank, earbuds, basic meds, one card, some cash, pen, backup SIM or eSIM, mini lock, zip ties. Block 2. At the airport, before security. 9. Keep essentials in one place. Waist pack or zipped inner pocket, passport plus phone plus boarding pass. The fewer handoffs, the fewer mistakes. 10. DIY check-in. Don't let random helpers assist at kiosks. It's either you or an airport employee in uniform. 11. Wi-Fi and QR codes. Don't scan random QR codes. Turn off Auto Connect to open Wi-Fi. Best option, hotspot from your own phone. Block 3. Security check. 12. Valuables go last. Shoes, jacket, backpack first. Wallet, phone, laptop last. So they come out when you're already waiting. 13. Stack your trays. Put valuables in a tray on top of another tray so they come out together. 14. Eyes on the exit belt. Don't stare at the scanner or the staff. Watch the belt where your stuff comes out. 5 seconds of distraction equals, oops, wrong laptop by someone else. Block 4. Waiting for boarding. Cafes, gate areas. 15. Cafes are distraction central. Bag on your lap or strapped through the chair leg. Phone in pocket if you step away, even just a meter. 16. Charging only with your block. USB ports can be compromised. Use your own charger plus wall socket or power bank. If you must use USB, get a data blocker adapter. 17. Shoulder bag habits. Zipper facing forward, hand on it in crowds. A tiny carabiner on the zipper pull makes a big difference. Block 5. Boarding and in-flight. 18. Valuables stay with you, not overhead. On your lap or under the seat. If you nap, hug your bag or clip it to yourself. 19. Overhead bins in sight. If you do use them, pick a bin across from your seat so you can watch. Theft mid-flight is rare, but it does happen. 20. Night flight equals minimum access mode. Before sleep, passport and phone on you. Quick bathroom trip? Take your bag, even if it's just 30 seconds. Block 6. Baggage claim and arrival. 21. Baggage carousel is risk zone. Stand by the belt, not on your phone. Make your bag easy to spot. Double check the tag before leaving. 22. No bag after 20 to 30 minutes? Go to Lost and Found. Fill a PIR form. Provide photos, contents, delivery address. Get case number and compensation rules. 23. Taxi and currency exchange. Ignore private drivers at exits. Use official counters or apps. Withdraw cash inside the airport near cameras and crowds. 24. Parking and your own car. Make your car an inconvenient target. Park in lit, camera-covered areas. Use a steering lock. Leave nothing visible inside. Don't keep documents in the glove box. 25. Popular tricks to know. Friendship bracelet. Rome, Paris. They tie it on, then demand money. Smile, return, walk away. Petition signing. Europe. Looks harmless, but while you sign, they pickpocket. Taxi without a meter. Asia. Agree on price up front or use an app. Dropped phone or spilled coffee? Distraction move. Keep a hand on your bag. Quick hack. Google city plus tourist scams before your trip. 10 minutes of reading equals 90% less trouble. Bonus travel hacks. Travel insurance, lost bags, delays often comes free with premium cards. Check before you go. Zip ties instead of locks. Cheap but show tempering. Keep mini cutters in your wallet. Label your electronics with a return email sticker. Honest finders will reach out. Pin on SIM or eSIM to protect bank codes. Face or Touch ID plus long passcode. Auto lock in 30 to 60 seconds. Best carry-on setup. Hoodie with kangaroo pocket plus hidden waist bag. Mini first aid kit. Headache, stomach, allergy meds, band-aids. Offline maps, hotel address on paper. Backups of bookings. What to do if something does go missing. A 20-minute action plan. A. Lost passport or wallet at the airport. Report immediately to airport security or police. Freeze cards and activate lost mode on phone or laptop. File a report. Needed for insurance or embassy. Contact your consulate. Emergency documents exist. B. Bag didn't arrive. Lost and found. PIR form. Ask for written compensation rules. Save every receipt for essentials. Use tracker location if available. If declared lost, file a claim in time. C. Stolen phone or laptop in the city. Activate Found My iPhone or Android, lost mode or wipe. File a police report for insurance. Change passwords to email, bank, messengers. Many stories to grab attention. Someone took my suitcase by mistake. 2 identical black cases. I found mine because it had a bright cover and I had a photo. Solved in 15 minutes. Personalization works. A USB trap. A colleague used a USB port at the airport. Minutes later, suspicious logins. Since then, only my own charger. Decoy wallet. Gave away an empty one. Kept my real cards and passport safe. Final checklist. Photo of suitcase and bright marking. AirTag or tracker inside. Digital copies of documents. Cards and cash split in different spots. Waist bag with passport and phone always on you. At security, valuables last, trays stacked. At cafes, bag strapped, phone in pocket. Charging only via wall plug or power bank. On plane, valuables with you, overhead in sight. At baggage claim, stand by the belt, grab it immediately. Tag with phone or email, not address. Only official taxis or apps. Research local scams. Know insurance and compensation rules. Save the what to do if plan in notes. The golden rule is the thieves don't look for the richest traveler. They look for the most careless one. You don't need to be paranoid, just one step more attentive than the person next to you in line.